Hello, look at me. I don't have the bar for my jack, so we're using my pry bar. Ah, look at that. And this is the last wheel that I'm gonna play with today. And the wheel looks good. I'm definitely gonna use this wheel. Oh, cool. It's got a four-wheel drive. Side set. Now, what I really want is the Cyclops. Okay, that's good enough for now. A little scary, but it's all right. 19, right? 19, let's go. All right, swap this out. I'll be honest, my stomach was making some noises and making me feel weird. I thought I was gonna have an accident, if you know what I mean. But now I feel good. I almost left. I'm glad I stayed. Are you shitting me right now? This is the only one wheel today. It's been weird. Yeah, let's try another slug. There we go. Put those here. There we go. Wow. All right, now we're down to 3. This thing, I've been putting some work on this thing today. Little breaker bar. I don't want to, but we should. Golly, I've been putting work on this impact. There's my adapter. How's this working again? Okay. Yep. Had to think about it. I use it like all day today. And this goes here. I'm using a 1/2 inch to 3/8 adapter. Okay. I might need to get my pry bar. Not pry bar, but the exhaust pipe. There we go. That one's good. Yeah, that's the one tool I forgot. If you're gonna go into a junkyard, make sure you have an impact. You know, I wish I had an inch or 1/2 inch, but 3/8 is pretty darn good. And a cheater bar. Because, wow, you have no idea how stubborn some of these things can be just by sitting for decades, you know, and just by sitting they get a little stuck. Need a little persuasion. So yeah, I would say a hammer, cheater bar, impact, and then your basic tools, wrenches, and pliers, cutters, stuff like that. But the most important, like I said, the most important stuff is going to be your hammer, cheater bar, and an impact. All right, this one looks okay. Ugh. The wheel. I might go save this wheel. I might. The front looks good, which gives me hope. Well, put that over there. Spin. If you didn't bring the cheater bar, then you can go find one. And I was lucky enough to go find this exhaust pipe. Now, oh wow, that was way easier than I thought. Kind of uneventful. But if you're new to junkyarding or even just hobby mechanics, you see what I'm doing here? You see what I did here with my pry bar? I use it so to keep the drum from spinning. So I can actually get this thing off. Now it's starting to rain. That's cool. Let's see if I can. Oh, yeah, it's starting to rain. Okay, good. Hammer is good to do that. I'm gonna turn the camera off. It's starting to rain. I gotta start moving fast. Okay, the rain stopped a little bit, but I can't get this off right now, and I can't pry it because this back plate is what I need, and it's kind of delicate. So I can't pry against it because I'll break it. I've learned that from earlier experiences with mine. So what I'm doing is I put 2 of my vice grips on here with the lugs on the studs, and I'm gonna just wiggle it off. It looks like it's coming off. I don't really know. Might be a placebo effect. Let me put some more thread on there to spin them. Yeah, it's coming up a little bit. It's definitely coming off, just very slowly. Holy cow. Let me just cut to the chase here. I might try a little bit of prime. Fudge, fudge, fudge. Kind of sucks. It's always the last one too. There we go. It's moving. Come on, please just come off. Ugh. There we go. And also another thing to bring penetrating fluid. That was a big F up on my part. I didn't bring any of that. There we go. Try it. Golly, this thing is on there tight. A mask too. Don't want to breathe in all that disc or drum shiz. Oh my god. I guess I should be happy because the fact that I just bent my backing plate a little bit. Try to get this fixed. You can re-bend it. I won't repeat what my favorite thing to say is from Trailer Park Boys. Re-effilate it. Carbonator, there we go, it's coming off, baby. Woohoo! There it is. The drum with the spline. Sweet. And here's the backing plate, that's so precious. I'll have to re-bend that lip. I got 3 bolts in there, one with a nut on the back. Do it all again. Here we go. So I think I have, let's see, that's not too bad. I can't remember. I think I have a drum at the house. My backing pad or backing plates are trash though, so I'm definitely wanting to get these. But man, this is really cool. This Brat is gonna supply a lot of parts, wheels, brake components, maybe even a sway bar and a tie rod ends. I don't know yet, but this has been a good day out here in the yard. I gotta take apart some of these this drum kit here, take it apart so I can get this wheel cylinder out and I can get the backing plate off and see where we're at then, maybe do the other side. And then here is my jack. It's in the ground. It's not the safest, I know, but I'm being very careful not getting like underneath the car and such. Just, yeah, being careful. I was not planning on doing all this work today, so shoot. Yeah, I need to go get a wheelbarrow, load up the stuff I am going to take today. I'm not going to take the wheels today, I'm going to take those later. Yeah, I wasn't planning on getting all this done. They feel pretty accomplished. Let's go over here. There's the rest of that's part of the yard. This is just a small fraction. Yeah, so I took off every wheel and got my brake parts. That bumper, I'm gonna see if I can put that on the Brat that I got at the house. So I mean, the inside's pretty sad. Anyway, I'm gonna go load my tools up and take them back to the car and get a wheelbarrow, bring the parts up, see what he is gonna charge me, and we can go home.